Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 4, 2022. 4 star Sudoku. Third row, 4 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 8, 9. Column B, column F, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4, 7. Fifth grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Ninth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. It will come in one of the three cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Fourth grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column C, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, 7th row, we have 7. Column I also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, 5 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fourth grade, column E, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 7th row and 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 3. Fifth row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. And 5 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.